Greetings, fellow degenerates, and welcome to Cooking with Killian, the show where I, Killian Knight, act as your host to show you thousands of wonderful recipes to amaze any guests and wow even yourself. Today I will teach you how to make a wonderful and delicious pizza. Now the first thing to start with is the dough, of course, and to start off, we'll just begin kneading it. Okay, now that that's done, we need to put on some sauce. Now most people recommend using tomato sauce, but personally, I like using mustard instead to give it that tangy flavor. Now that we have the sauce readied, it's time to put on some cheese and sausages. Let's start with the cheese one, won't we? And then the sausages, because what's pizza without some pepperoni? Now we throw it into the oven and let it sit so it can cook. And finally, for the last step, we call Pizza Hut to get another pizza, because what we made is inedible and technically counts as a thermonuclear biohazard. And find a priest so that God may forgive us for making it in hopes that he won't smite us in our sleep. Yes, Pizza Hut? I'd like your finest priest.